Hey masters, welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. My morning, started off pretty good. It's currently 6:21 a.m. for me, you know, and I just woke up and I said, let me monitor this trade I entered, um, and see how things are going. Okay, so this will be a quick update on pound CAD, since the previous update. If you haven't seen the previous update, I strongly advise you to check that out and then come back to this video. You know, Not going to make this video too long, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I entered these positions very close to the demand level, so I'm currently floating a little bit. But as you can see, there is a small area of supply currently here, not strong enough to revert the market, you know, not strong enough. We do have some sellers, we might have some sellers in this area that may push the market down, but not enough, not enough momentum to drive the market lower. So that's actually a good thing for us, if there are sellers in the market now, because then that creates a supply and demand imbalance, and then boom, hit it right to the upside and they will be wiped out. So okay, so now my projection for this pair is to possibly make its way to the supply level, and there is a high chance of it creating a higher supply, than the previous supply. But then that's far ahead, so we need to look at what's currently happening, because market conditions are always changing, due to different variables. So we have to pay attention to the most recent structures that the market is creating. So my idea can change depending on the market conditions and how the market conditions changes. So I expect, you know, furthermore to the upside, taking out previous supply levels in this area. And the more we take out the supply, is the greater the demand. So just keep an eye on the demand, keep an eye on the demand. And when demand starts to diminish, then momentum is starting to change. Then the supply is starting to kick in. So let me plot some of these levels. I have a supply level up here, as you can see. Um, as you can see right there. And the demand level was right here, as you can see, the market reverted exactly at this point, and the market left exactly at this point. So we have a strong level of supply in this area and a strong level of demand in this area. However, there's something you should know. This supply level may not be as strong as it was before, because not many orders might be sitting there. There might be some, but it's not as strong as it was before. However, this demand level is very strong because it was created most recent, but not as strong as the smaller demand levels in the smaller time frames that structure recently created. So I'm currently watching for this small supply level to be taken out, return to this level If it does that, I will open up more positions to continue to the upside. If it doesn't revert at this, if it doesn't go up from this area, then we might see a revert back to the demand level. If it breaks the demand level, then we can look for it to maybe go back to the downside, to the bottom of the demand level. So failure to do both of those scenarios will result in a state of consolidation or structure being range bound, and that would not be a trade you would want to take part in. So I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I love you. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a like, comment if you have any questions. I'm always available. And remember to follow me on Instagram at Masters of Forex. And if you would like to check out my course, the Masters of Forex course, all the information will be in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.